Alright, grower. Now that you're cool with bacteria cooking up nutrients like little soil chefs, it's time to meet the real movers and shakers, the underground engineers, the fungal freight trains. Let's talk fungi, and not the mushrooms you toss on a pizza. We're talking the invisible threads of life woven through every inch of healthy soil. Fungi are the network, the infrastructure, the delivery system. You ever hear people call them the Wood Wide Web? That's not just a catchy name, that's exactly what they are. So here's the deal. While bacteria are fast movers that thrive on simple sugars and fresh organic matter, fungi are the slow and steady recyclers. They break down the tough stuff. Think wood, dead roots, stalks, and plant armor. Stuff that would just sit there for years otherwise. Fungi get in there and break it all down into usable nutrition.